The Sydney Eucalyptus Garland is a great selection for wedding receptions or parties or events to use down the center of a table to enhance that space. Just like anything else in a permanent botanical, take note and look at the product itself. If I take this eucalyptus garland and manipulate it a bit, it's going to look so much better, right? And realistic. So we're taking the time to do this, and then to make it even more impressive, we're going to take the eucalyptus garland and put a second one. And we're doing this the other way. So, you know, as you know, when you work with the eucalyptus garlands before, it kind of go one way or the other. Now, if we do them interweaving with both directions, you're going to see how much more full and lush our eucalyptus garland becomes. As you can see, it just comes alive. So remember, when you're enhancing that special space, take two of the garlands, bring them together, and it gives you a much more full and lush look.